Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you cannot move a plant and grow a garden because it is too big and it is bigger than like the base itself. As you can see, I cannot move this princess thorn. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to go to cosmetics and I'm going to get a bench. Hopefully you have like a chair of some sort, or you can kind of look through-ish the plant. It is a little bit hard to do, so I'm just going to do this method instead. Oops. So make sure the chair is like this, and you're going to kind of want to rotate it this way in the plant itself, and you're just going to sit on it and you're going to move your camera like this and just and see if you can find the base of the plant. I don't know where the base of it is. Is it this? Let me get my trowel and see if I can. Okay, this is the base. Okay, so you're going to get to the base and you're going to select it. And then as you can see, you are now able to move it. I just don't know where to place it now, so I'm just going to leave it. But now as you can see, you can move it to somewhere else. I'm just going to select cancel though. I'm just going to leave it there. But that is how you can move plants that are like super big. I'm just going to remove my cosmetics real quick. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.